Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I wanted to show you something super neat. 3-jaw oil filter wrench, essentially. Basically what this is you put it on your oil filter. You say this is your oil filter on your engine. Put it like that. You put your ratchet on here, 3/8 drive. You go ahead and you turn it to the left. These jaws right here are going to grab onto your oil filter and turn it to the left with you. Sometimes when you're trying to do an oil change on your vehicle, you've got your regular oil filter wrench and you're trying to get it in, squeezed into the engine compartment and get to where it is, and you don't have any real room to go ahead and work with it, right? So that's why you would use something like this. This just goes right on there. Then you can use your 3/8 ratchet, come down here, loosen it right up. Easy peasy. This is a great tool to have in your arsenal so you can make sure that you can get the job done right and get it done quick. If you need this or any other tool, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.